In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery inside your Mitsubishi key fob if it's looking just like this one. Really simple. So first, here on the back, there's a small screw we'll need to remove. It's a Phillips head screw. So take a screwdriver and let's remove the screw. Oops. Here we go. Make sure you don't lose it. Now the casing should open by itself. If it doesn't, just put your nail between the two parts and try to pry it. This usually works. If not, you can take a small flathead screwdriver and jam it inside to make the two parts of the casing open. Alright, so the battery is right here. You'll need, you can do it with your nail again, remove it. And as you can see, it takes a CR2032 3-volt battery. Alright, if you want to check in the description, I put a link where you can get one. To put it back, put the positive side, the side with a small plus, facing down. Here we go. Jam it there. Put the casing back together and make sure it clicks. You don't want to have water or debris going inside. Once you're done, take back the small screw from the beginning, put it back there. But as you can see, the small keychain got lost here. So we'll need to open it back if it happens. And here, as you can see on the corner, this is where you need to put it. Put the small ring there. And close the case back over it. Here we go. This way it will be solid. Now we can take the screw, put it back, and turn clockwise. Here we go. You're done.